Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos we have seen how to create a DynamoDB table using AWS command line interface, and we have also created on-demand DynamoDB table instead of provisioned table using command line interface, and we have also created a tags for DynamoDB inside a command line interface. We have given two tags, key1 value1 key2, and we have also created a local secondary index using a command line interface. So in this video we will create a global secondary index also using AWS command line interface instead of using the AWS console. So first we will just see the command what we have used to create this local secondary indexes. So this is the full command we have used to create a DynamoDB table, on-demand DynamoDB table with a local secondary indexes. So if you check here, we have given the table name, we have given the attribute definitions, student name, subject name and score. We have mentioned what is the partition key and what is the sort key, and we have mentioned the tags, and we have mentioned it is on demand billing mode, and we have at the last we have given local secondary indexes, and we have given the file. So we need to give a list of local secondary indexes in an array format. So instead of giving directly an array here, we can either give directly an array here, or we can save it in a file and we can give a file link here. So in that file we have this one. So let's go to the JSON beautifier, and this is the one. This is the array of local secondary indexes, and inside there is one object. This is one local secondary index. If you want to create more than one local secondary index, just have one more JSON object here. So it contains index name and the key schema. So we need to mention what is the partition key and what is the sort key for this local secondary index, and we also need to mention what is the projection type. Needs to project all other attributes for this local secondary index. So we can create a global secondary indexes also in the same way. So let's copy this, let's paste it here, and local secondary index will contain the partition key same as the main partition key of the DynamoDB table, but here in global secondary indexes it should be different. So we will just keep subject name, then we'll just keep one more sort key as maybe teacher name. So we are keeping the subject name as hash key and teacher name as range. So if you want to create one more global index, just keep comma and enter. So here index name we will change as subject name hyphen teacher name index. Here we'll just keep some dummy attribute, dummy1. This is just for testing. Dummy2. So we will name this index as dummy1, dummy2 index, and we will save all this in a file. So here we have LSI JSON. In the same way we will have GSI. Just save it. GSI JSON. So now we will change a command. So if you see here we have a local second indexes. So in the same way we need to provide global secondary indexes, and we need to give the file path GSI. Just now we have seen what is there in the file. And if you check, this GSI JSON has some extra attributes. So it contains an extra attribute teacher name, extra attribute as dummy1, extra attribute as dummy2. So whatever attributes we are using in our indexes, either the basic index or the local second index or the global second indexes, we need to mention it here in the attribute definitions. So we have not included that extra ones, so we need to keep those also here. One, two, three. So one is teacher name, teacher name is string, so just keep yes. Then dummy1, dummy1 we'll just keep as string, dummy2 we'll just keep as integer only. So this is the total command which will create a DynamoDB table with local secondary indexes and global secondary indexes. Just copy this whole command, just go to the terminal, just paste it. So before executing this, let's go to the our account. There is a student table here. If you check, there are no global second indexes, only local second indexes. So we'll just delete this table and create it using the command what we have written. So the table got deleted. Let's execute this command and let's see. See, successfully the table got created. So it includes these attributes: dummy1, dummy2, score, student name, subject name, teacher name. This is the basics key schema, partition key and sort key. Status is creating local secondary indexes and global secondary indexes. Let's go to our AWS account. Let's refresh it. If you check, student table name got created and index is 3, 2 global indexes and 1 local secondary index we have kept, and it is on demand. Let's click and check the indexes. So if you see, there are 2 global second indexes we have created with dummy1, dummy2, subject name and teacher name, and 1 local second indexes, student name and score. So now, just for testing, let's give a index name as same. We will give same index name for 2 global second indexes. Let's see whether it will throw an error or not. So just delete it. Let's refresh. Let's go to the file where we have saved the GSI. Here if you check index name, we have given this. Try to give the same index name here also. So it will say, I think, index name cannot be same. Let's go here. Let's copy the same command. Let's go to terminal. Let's paste and let's enter. See, if you see, as expected, when calling the create table operation, one or more parameter values are invalid. Duplicate index name. So index name is duplicated, so we should not have same index name for 2 indexes. So we'll just keep it back, save it and execute it again. Now the table got created. Let's go and refresh, and let's see, the table is getting created. Just refresh it. So it got created. So this is how we will create a local secondary indexes, global secondary indexes, or any tags using AWS command line interface. So in future videos we will see how to update a table. So after creating a table, we need to add indexes instead of deleting whole table, and we can just add a index to existing table. We will see that in the future videos. I hope you liked this video and understood this command. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.